Kubor Kabatisi TV. Lawan Rashapi dak Modrina Auto Enterprises, Maulai Nongkwar TSS Road Shillong, Ringkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant, M Crown Hotel, Kendailat Shillong, bat ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo Shillong. One bantit ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Batamai, kabas kem bat Biddor.
Ka Shillong All Faith Forum, haka arpo kendai terik Risau Arajar Arpo, kala Kyrpad yagi Paidbah Nongshong jong ka jela, bakim day setia ban Ngop, ha ki Jingkynshoit Ïapher Jaitbynriew jong ki katto kat ni ki brew ya ka ba kila pensapriang dang hakini ki kendiat sngi ha ka rensan jong ke social media da ka bakam bat keno ru baki Jaitbynriew Bengali ki basong basa ha ka jela Meghalaya kila mat ya ka jingsha pendik bat ka jingsha thombor ha ki khasi ki balong ki trashnong bat ki trai muluk jong ke ni ka jela ha ba yakren bat kilat pathai khubor hadin balawai ka Ñiam Bishop P. Lingdo ulayatu baka Shillong All Faith Forum kala bishar banyak bha yakini ki Jingkynshoit ban wanra ya ka jingsngo Ïapher Jaitbynriew ka balong tang ka jingshim kabu jong ki katto kat nengot ki brew.
The first one that we have all suggested and agreed to do is to appeal to all the people of the state, appeal to all the religious groups, appeal to all the NGOs, the organizations, and appeal to all the political parties, appeal to everyone to not to succumb to hearsay that we read in the media or the information we get from social media without really knowing the truth. What we see, what we read may not be the real truth. So, Shillong has never experienced religious discord. Shillong has never undergone any religious discrimination so far. It's only now that such things are coming up, and this we appeal to the whole state together as members of the Shillong All Faith Forum. We appeal to the state to be calm, not to take things without properly thinking, especially to young people. We appeal to them not to take things in their own hands, but there are always the right forums, there are always platforms where things can be discussed, things can be sorted out. So this is what we have discussed just now. The Hindu communities and all other religious communities have expressed very clearly just now in the meeting that they have never experienced any religious discrimination in the state. Just recently we had the puja celebrations. So peaceful. Mr. Naba is the president of the CPC. So peacefully, all functions, all celebrations.
And this could not have happened without the support, the cooperation, and the fraternity and amity from the majority. I don't want to use the term majority, but from the indigenous community. And this has been happening for ages, for decades. Such a peaceful celebration. And this itself, I think, is our victory, President. The victory of Meghalayans, the Shillongites. And we should not fall into the trap of people from outside. This is very important. We have our own strength through which we can grow and we can combine and forge ahead. Bishop.
I would like to add here, you all my media friends, that you all are pillar of the society. What you write, what you see, what you hear will really create an impact. Do not get misguided by fake news. Whatever you have to report the truth. I know you have to report the fact and cross-check your fact, whether it is just being fed to you or it has been imposed on you. So as a pillar of the society, as a sentinel of the state, you all have to play a vital role. We are trying for the peace and harmony, and I think the media is the most important important mobile in this to carry out the peace.
Here they are from, not from here, not from outside, but we do know the truth. So one of the steps that we have decided just now, one of the action plan that we have discussed just now is to try and go to the roots of all this. Okay? What this appeal that we have made to all people is like a cosmetic solution, but we will try to go to the roots of all this.
See, we have met the leaders of all the other communities also, and they have very specifically come out with the statement that we have never faced any kind of religious discrimination here in Meghalaya. They have clearly come out with that. So that shows how harmonious we are. The people who are the indigenous people, indigenous in the sense anyone who is born and brought up, have the legacy in Meghalaya, may be called the indigenous. They have shown full faith in the system, and they have also declared that they will follow the rule of the land.
So I would say that since the names have come out in the newspapers, if possible, if people give us information, we would like to sit and talk with these people. We are a group of all faiths. All faiths. We'll sit and talk with them and let them share with us what are the complaints they have, dissatisfactions that they will. We will do our best.